Hi guys! Today we are going to be making a Saint Valentine charm. To make the body, roll a small piece of white clay into a cone shape. Then roll out a snake of white clay and cut off 2 small sections for the arms. Attach one arm at the top of the cone. Then grab a small piece of red clay and roll it out. Cut it so that it's thinner at the ends and wider in the middle. Use an X-Acto knife to take it off of the counter. Then attach one of the small ends where the first arm is placed. Wrap it around the body and then attach it back at that shoulder. Pat it down gently so that it stays in place, and then add the other arm. Bend both of the arms in slightly so that they can hold the heart. I added a small piece of clay for a hand, but then realized it would just be covered up later with the heart. So this step is optional. Roll out a piece of pink clay and then cut a heart shape into it. Unfortunately, my hand was in the way the entire time I was cutting out the heart, but you pretty much get the gist of it. Just trace out a heart and get rid of the excess. You can make the heart as big or small as you'd like. Use your finger to smooth out any rough edges, and then take it off of your counter and place it in between the 2 arms. To make his face, roll out a light skin-colored ball. Then roll out 2 tiny black balls and place them for eyes. Press them in firmly so they don't fall off. Then use a small dotting tool and indent a tiny mouth. To make his beard, roll out a small piece of brown clay and cut it into a U shape. Carefully take it off of the counter and then align it with the indent you made for the mouth before. Re-indent the mouth with the small dotting tool and then trim away any excess clay you don't like. Then use the dotting tool and put texture in the beard. Once you like how the beard looks, rub a Q-tip on a piece of pink chalk or pastel and gently dot it onto his cheeks. I made them nice and rosy since he's Saint Valentine. Roll out a brown noodle that's pretty thick for his hair. Start at the back and wrap it around the head, and then flatten it out so it looks more like hair. Then use the dotting tool and put the same texture you put on the beard. When you're finished, place the head on the body and gently press down from the top straight down so that it's firmly attached. Cut out an eye pin and stick it right through the center of the head into the body to give it more stability and make it into a charm. Here's the charm right before it's baked. Fix up anything that you don't like and then bake it according to your clay's package instructions. Once it's baked and cooled, use a small dotting tool dipped in white paint to add little white dots to your eyes. Mine aren't perfectly circle here, but you can always use a Q-tip dipped in nail polish remover to remove the paint you don't like and then start over. I hope you liked this video and loved this charm. Since St. Valentine's Day is on Ash Wednesday this year, what are your plans for celebrating this saint's feast day? Let me know in the comment sections. And as always, God bless.